Hey guys, so today I've got a 2011 Range Rover Sport. I'm going to show you how to check the oil level after an oil change or even without an oil change. First thing, we need to make sure the vehicle has been sitting in a flat surface for almost 20 minutes without being started, without being moved, ignition off and everything. So next step, what we're going to do is turn the ignition to the on position. I'm going to use these buttons up, down, left, right, and OK. And then once these messages clear up, take a couple of seconds, that's good. Press OK. OK to clear all these fault messages. Then we're going to press OK one more time. Down to the service menu, oil level display, and it should say the level. It's in the middle, so it's probably going to need another quart and a half. Sometimes it'll say not available. As long as the vehicle is cold, has been sitting for 20 minutes in a flat surface, give it about 10 to 20 seconds, it'll read the proper reading. If not, then you got to let it sit for 20 more minutes and then check it again. All right, hope this helps. Very simple procedure, no special tools are needed. Thank you for watching this video. Please support, like, and subscribe.